Assalamualaikum. Hi there. Welcome to my video. In this video, I'll show you how to remove unwanted things from your image or from your product or anything else with the help of AI. So as usual, if you, let's say I want to remove this logo from this package. So in Photoshop, we are using clone stamp tool, or we are using content aware to remove this one. So let me show you. I'm now in object selection tool. So if I select this one, then this area will be selected. Then if I go edit, then if I click fill, make sure that you have selected contents as content aware, mode as normal, and opacity 100%. Okay, so for deselect, I'm pressing Ctrl D. So if you see the output, this is not 100% accuracy or 100%, the finishing is not good. And let's say I want to finish this one with the help of clone stamp tools. So I'm selecting this one, then I'm taking this area sample, then I'm doing this. So it takes time, and you know what, the output would not be good. So in this case, if I use AI to remove this one, it will makes your works 100% accuracy. So I'm now in Magic Studio.Magic Eraser website. I will attach this link in my description. So in this AI, just remove your unwanted things in a second. So let me upload picture. Okay, I'm clicking here. Okay. Once you upload your image, you will see two options. The first one is brush and the second one is zoom. Zoom means you can zoom your image, and the second one is brush. You can increase and decrease your brush size. So let's say I want to remove this logo. So what I have to do, I have to select this area. Okay, let me increase my brush size. Okay, I'm selecting my logo area. Okay, once you are done, you just need to click erase this button. This takes 2 or 5 seconds to complete this process. Let me select again this area. Okay, as you can see, this is a 100% accuracy. And if I download this one, I'm clicking download option, then download. If I open this maze, okay, I'm able to open this one. Okay, look at this, the output is awesome. So you can use this AI for your work purpose. I hope this video will help you. If this video helps you, please stay connected with me. Thanks for watching.